back to FFL Boss Tutorials. Today we're going to cover how to complete an acquisition that you thought you had completed before, but turns out the firearms are showing up as never acquired. The way that this can happen actually is when you create an acquisition. Let's say you put in all the information over here. Let's create one real quick. Now let's put in a serial number. The way that this typically happens at this point is if you do not click the Finalize Acquisition button. Let's go ahead and click out of that. So now that particular firearm, if I come to my product and firearms and then I search that serial number, as you can see over here in the status, it shows up as never acquired. So the way to fix this, the way to complete that transaction is to go back to acquisitions, and now you're going to click on previous. Let's search that serial number. We can see that it is still showing as never acquired. Just click the plus button because the firearm has already been created, and then we'll just finalize that acquisition. There you have it. Once again, thank you for using FFL Boss, your FFL software provider.